Hi children, we continue with our chapter 4, carbon and its compounds. In the last class we learned about unsaturated hydrocarbons. Actually there are two types of unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkenes and alkynes. Last class we learned about alkenes, today we will learn about alkynes. So alkynes, what are alkynes? Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain a triple bond between carbon atoms. So, unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain a triple bond between two carbon atoms are known as alkynes. The general formula of alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. CnH2n minus 2. For alkynes it is CnH2n plus 2. For alkenes it is CnH2n. Here it is CnH2n minus 2. And just like alkenes, the first member of this series, alkynes, starts with n is equal to 2. With one carbon atom, you cannot put a triple bond. There should be a triple bond between two carbon atoms. So, the first member will have two carbon atoms. So, we start with n is equal to 2. Let us substitute n is equal to 2 in the general formula C2 H 2 into 2 minus 2. So, what is it? C2 H2 H 4 minus 2, that is 2. So, as in the case of alkynes and alkenes, n is equal to 2, it is eth, and since it is alkyne, YNE, we write here ethane. So, the name is ethane, ethane. So, shall we write the formula, structural formula? 2 carbons. So, between these two carbons there is a triple bond. This is alkyne. So, triple bond is there. Now, how many free valencies? Carbon. Each carbon atom has only one free valency where you can write hydrogen. So, we write it as CH triple bond CH. Okay. So, free valencies are already occupied for both the carbon atoms. So, they have only one free valency where we write hydrogen. So, this is ethane C2H2, first member of alkynes. Now, we move on to n is equal to 3. C3 H 2 into 3 minus 2. So, what is it? C3 H4. So, carbon 3, it is prop with the YNE, making it propyne. So, draw 3 carbon atoms. One of the bond should be a triple bond. So, you can write the triple bond on this side also, there is no problem, that is your choice. There should be one triple bond between carbon atoms. Okay, now take the first carbon, it is only one valency is occupied, 3 free valencies. Second carbon, take the second carbon. On left hand side, one valency is occupied, right hand side, 3 valencies are occupied, making it 1 plus 3, 4. So, the middle carbon atom has all its valencies occupied. So, no more free valencies. So, you cannot write any hydrogen on the middle carbon. Now, take the last one, it has one free valency where you can write hydrogen. 3 are occupied, 1 is free. So, what is the formula? CH3 single bond C. There is no hydrogen on the middle carbon. Triple bond CH. Okay, so this is propyne C3H4. I hope you understood. This is the molecular form. C3H4 is the molecular formula. This one is the structural formula, and C3 single bond C triple bond CH is the condensed formula. Okay. Now, the next one, n is equal to 4. C4 H 2 into 4 minus 2. So, what is it? C4 H6. C4 H6. What is the name? Butane, butane. So, draw 4 carbon atoms. Make one of the bond triple bond. So, in the middle I have put the triple bond between the second and the third carbon atom. So, other bonds are single bonds. Now, take the first carbon. Its 3 valencies are free. Now, second carbon atom, all the 4 valencies are occupied. 1 plus 3 making it 4. Third carbon also 3 plus 1 4. So, there are no free valencies on the second and the third carbon. Please do not write any valency for it. Then your structure will be wrong. Always make sure that carbon has a total of 4 valencies only. These lines are not simply drawn. It is based on its valencies. Now the last carbon, only one valence is occupied. You can write 3 more valencies. So write hydrogens. Now condense it and write CH3, single bond C, triple bond C, CH3. So C4H6, C4H6 butane. Okay. Now next member, N is equal to 5. C5, 2 into 5 minus 2. So it is C5 H8 Pentane. 5 carbons, 5 carbon atoms. So here I will put the triple bond on the end carbon between the 4th and the 5th carbon. So other bonds are single bonds. Now fill in the other valencies. Take the 4th carbon, it's all valencies, 4 valencies are occupied, so no more valency to write. Third one, so last carbon has 1 free valency. So write hydrogens in the free valencies. Now condense form CH3, CH2, CH2, single bond C, triple bond CH. So this is pentane. This is pentane. This is the condensed formula. This is the structural formula, and the C5H8 is the molecular formula. Okay. Now we will write the 5th member, that is N is equal to 6. So we started with N is equal to 2. So when you reach N is equal to 6, it will be the 5th member only. C6H 2 into 6 minus 2. So what is it? C6H10. Name is Hexane. So draw 6 carbon atom. Somewhere you put the triple bond. So it is your choice, children. You have the freedom of putting the triple bond anywhere in the carbon chain. Only one triple bond anywhere in the carbon chain between any 2 carbon atoms. So here 3 free valencies. Second carbon has all the valencies occupied. Third carbon also has all the 4 valencies occupied. Now coming to the 4th carbon, it has 2 free valencies. 5th also 2 free valencies, and the 6th one 3 free valencies. So write the hydrogen atoms. So CH3, C, triple bond C, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, so this is hexane. Okay, the first 5 members of the alkane series. Now we will write the electron dot structure of ethane. The first member of this series, ethane, C2H2. We will write the electron dot structure of ethane. 2 carbon atoms, and there are 2 hydrogen atoms also. 2 hydrogen atoms, C2H2. So 2 carbons, 2 hydrogens. So each carbon atom has 4 valence electrons. Each hydrogen has 1 electron. So first we will write it for hydrogen. Now each hydrogen atoms are stable with 2 electrons. Now coming to the first carbon atom, it has its own 4 electron plus 1 from the hydrogen which is connected to it, making it 5. It needs 3 more electron which it will take from the second carbon. So draw the circle around carbon in such a way that there are 8 electrons. Okay, take the second carbon, its own 4 electron plus 1 from this hydrogen, making it 5, needs 3 more. Take it from the first carbon and draw the circle around the second carbon. Now the structure will be between carbon and hydrogen, both the carbon and hydrogen, 1 pair of electron is shared. So we write a single bond. Now look at the central portion between the carbon atoms, between 2 carbon atoms. How many electron pairs are shared? 3 electron pairs. So what is the nature of the bond? Triple bond. 3 electron pairs are shared, so it is a triple bond. Okay, so CH triple bond CH. This is the structure of ethane. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you, children.